Hi guys, welcome to Shoaib Learning Studio. In this video, I will tell you how you can get complete backup of your phone including applications. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Google Play Store, type in Super Backup, select this first one, Super Backup, and restore. I will fast forward the downloading to save time. So here we have the app downloaded. Let's open it. There is an update in the app which allows recording phone call voice in MP3. This app will ask for permission to access your contacts, SD card and microphone. Just allow. This is the main screen of app. The first option is apps. Here you can see all the installed applications. By tapping here, you can select all apps. Tap again to deselect. Once you check mark any app, it will give you an option to backup, share, launch, uninstall and app info. Tap on backup for now. Backup finished, press OK. Now we will backup a couple of more applications. Tap on this archive. Here you can see the applications that we have just backed up. By tapping here, we can install, share or delete apps. This icon on the top right side will give you a link to all applications. By tapping here, you can view backup location. Now go back to the main screen. Let's send backup to cloud now. Go to archive, click that checkbox and select share. Then tap on save to drive. Here you can change the app name or keep it same and select the folder where you want to save. I am saving it to the SMS contacts backup folder. Finally hit save. It will start uploading in the folder. Now we will backup SMS. Here we have different options. Backup all will create backup for all messages. You can change the backup name if you wish. Here we have backup completed successfully. Backup conversation will allow you to backup certain conversations that you like. By tapping on view backup, we can view the backup that we just created. We can also delete backup if we need to from here. Let's send backup to cloud now. Select the backup, then send to Google Drive. You need to select your Gmail account here. It will ask for your permission. Tap on allow, then it will upload backup. Backup and upload finish now. Hit OK. Next we will backup contacts. Backup contacts with phone numbers will backup contacts that have phone numbers on them, while backup all will backup all contacts including those that are empty or don't have any phone numbers. Restore option allows to restore contacts. You need to choose whether you want to restore to your phone or Gmail account. Let's send backup to cloud now. Select the backup, then send to Google Drive. Next option we have is call logs. Select backup all and press OK. Backup completed successfully. To view call logs, tap on view backups. Now send backup to cloud. Select the backup you want to send, then select send to Google Drive. It will upload the backup to Google Drive. Press OK to finish. Next option we have is calendar. It will ask for permission to access calendar and events. Select backup all and press OK. It will backup calendar and events. Backup completed successfully. Let's send it to cloud. Select the backup, then choose send to Google Drive. It will upload backup to cloud storage. Once finished, press OK. Next option is call recorder. We don't have any call recorded, so we will leave it. Last option is Google Drive. Here you can see all of your backup folders. If you don't see any file, here tap on cannot find backup files. Here you can go to SMS contacts backup where all backup is stored. If you want to upload photos or video, tap on this plus button, create a new folder and give it a name, then hit create. Go to the pictures folders that we just created and tap on plus button again. This time we will upload. Click on image, then select the folder and tap on the photo which you want to upload. We can also upload multiple files at once. Tap on plus button again, click on image, then select the folder and tap on the photo. Here I am selecting 4 pictures to upload. To remove ads, click here to become a premium member. With transfer backup files, you can transfer backup files to another device using Wi-Fi network, provided they are on the same network. You can also share by enabling Wi-Fi hotspot to let others connect to your hotspot. You can do both send or receive backup files using this feature. FTP server allows you to transfer files to your PC or Mac. Just click on start and it will give an IP address or FTP which you will need to enter in your computer browser. By clicking on star, you can access bookmarks. Let's explore some settings now. You can change the backup path from here if you wish so. You can schedule backups after certain days. You can also set maximum versions to keep for each application. App Auto Backup will create backup automatically after every installation. App Backup Notify shows notification after every backup. Remind Upload Backup File shows dialog after backup finishes. Remind Backup shows notification if more than half a month passed without any backup. Theme and language can also be changed from the bottom. I hope this application will be quite beneficial for you and will help in backing up your mobile data. If you like the video, please do share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.